Yo, where you at, bro? Dude, I'm here. I'm literally right here. God damn it. 20 minutes, bro? Nah, you're tripping. You're tripping. 20 minutes. Alright, bet. 20 minutes. Damn. Damn! Fuck! Shit! What the fuck? Is that a bird? What the hell? Dude, is that an owl? Is that real? Holy shit.
Take your pants off for me.
Take my pants off? What the fuck? Dude, I'm not doing that shit. Dude, you're being weird. You gotta be like a demon or some type of spirit, bro. Yo, you a freaky ass bird trying to tell me to take my pants off and shit. What the hell? Bro, what do you want from me? I'm not taking my pants off, so what else do you want?
Pants off.
Ah! I don't like it! Get away!